Good day! In the last video, we have learned how to simplify algebraic fraction. In this video, we are going to solve them. So there are three questions in solving algebraic fraction, and we will do each and every one of them. Remember, these are all past test exam questions. I've collated it, and this is what you need to know. So the question is, solve x over 2 minus x 6 over x equal to 2. Okay, whenever you have this question, you always have to cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply and you multiply the denominator. So it's called the double x method. So x times x becomes x squared. 2 times 6 is minus 12 because minus here, minus 12. And the denominator is going to be 2x. Okay, and it equals to 2. The next step, you're going to get rid of the 2x. You're going to multiply by 2x on both sides of the equation. So it's going to be x squared minus 12 because the 2x will cancel out equals to 24. Okay? Oh no, equal to 4x. Sorry, equal to 4x. Because 2 times 2x is 4x. Okay? So now we are going to solve this. So we're going to make all the expression on the left hand side. So we minus 4x on both sides of the equation. So that becomes x squared minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So whenever you are solving quadratic, you must always make in this form: a squared plus b squared plus bx minus a constant or plus a constant equal to 0. Next step, you're going to factorize this. Okay, so if you factorize this, it's going to be x, we're going to do here, x, and I think it's going to be minus 6 plus 2, because minus 6 plus times minus plus 2 is going to be minus 12. You're going to try it. X times minus 6 is minus 6x. 2 times x is going to be plus 2x. When you add them up, it's going to be minus 4x. That's what you get in the middle number. So the answer is going to be x minus 6, x plus 2 equal to 0. And to solve it, x minus 6 equal to 0, or x plus 2 equal to 0. And then you plus 6 on both sides, so x equal to 6. Or you minus 2 on both sides, x equals to minus 2. So that's the first equation. And now we're going to solve the second equation. The second equation sounds like this. Okay? So we are going to try to solve this, and it's similar, okay, but a little bit different, okay? So in this case, the easiest way when you have a fraction equal to a fraction is to cross multiply, okay? Cross multiply, so this goes up, this goes down. So we're going to equal to 3 times 12 is going to be 36. It equals to x, 9 plus x, okay? And then we're going to expand this part. So 36 is equal to 9x plus x squared. And then, as I said before, if you are solving, you must make it to ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this case, we're going to minus 36 on both sides. So that equation is going to be x squared plus 9x minus 36 equals to 0. So excuse me. Okay, so now we are going to factorize it. Okay, x, and I've done it before. It's going to be plus 12 and minus 3, because plus 12 and minus 3 will give you minus 36. Cross multiply them, so x times 12 is plus 12x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and when you add them up, it's going to be plus 9x, and that's the middle number here. So the equation is going to be x, put in the bracket there, they're going to be x plus 12, x minus 3 equal to 0. Again, each bracket equal to 0, so x plus 12 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0. Solve it, minus 12 on both sides, x equal to minus 12, and on that side it's going to be plus 3 on both sides, x equals to 3. Hopefully you can see my ink just run out. So the answer will be that, and now we shall continue and do the third question. I'm changing my pen, and that is how I do the question 2. Okay, question 3 sounds like this. Okay, question 3 is going to be a little bit different, but it is still doable. Okay, so what we're going to do, when you have a fraction like this, we're going to get rid of the fraction. We're going to multiply every one of them by number 6. Okay, when you multiply by 6, this will be 6 divided by 2, or we write it down, 6x plus 3 over 2 plus 6 times 3 is 18 equals to 6, 2x minus 1 over 3. Okay, that's what we did so far. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to simplify. 6 over 2 is going to be 3, bracket x plus 3 plus 18 is equal to 2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2x minus 1. Expand the bracket now. 3x plus 9 plus 18 is equal to 4x minus 2. Please check that I'm doing the correct way, okay? So now we're going to be at the like term, so 9 plus 18 is going to be 27. 3x plus 27 is equal to 4x minus 2. And this is quite easy to solve now. You minus 4x on both sides. So you're going to be minus x plus 27 is equal to minus 2. Next step, minus 27, carry out this 27. So minus x equals to minus 29. And last but not least, you might multiply by negative 1. So x equals to 29. So we have solved 3 algebraic fraction questions. And hopefully you practice more before your external and you become quite good in this question. Cheers everyone and have a good day.